Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will listen to a story about Pup, Panda, and friends. Let's go. Pup, Panda, and friends pack more for vacation. Written and illustrated by Susan Grutzmacher. Hello, my name is Pup. What's your name? Hi, Pup. My name is Newt. Hi, Newt. Meet my friends. Hi, friends. Hi, Newt. My name is Fish. Who is this? Hi, Fish. This is a family. Hi, Newt. I am Hippo. Where does the family go? Hi, Hippo. The family does not go to the mountains. The family goes to the sea. Hi, Newt. I am Mouse. When does the family go on vacation? Hi, Mouse. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Mouse, the family goes on vacation in July. Hello, Newt. I am Jellyfish. Where does the family sleep? Hey, Jellyfish. The family does not sleep in an apartment. The family sleeps in a hotel. Hi, Newt. I'm Bat. What's the weather on vacation? Hi, Bat. It's not snowy on vacation. It's sunny on vacation. Hello, Newt. It's me, Fish. How does the family go? Hi, Fish. The family does not go by bus. The family goes by car. Look, a suitcase. What does the family pack? Hey, Newt, I'm Cat. What does the family pack? Hi, Cat. The family packs a toothbrush. Hi, Newt. My name is Ladybug. What does the family pack? Hi, Ladybug. The family packs toothpaste. Hi, Newt. I'm Kangaroo. What does the family pack? Hi, Kangaroo. The family packs soap. Hello, Newt. My name is Goat. What does the family pack? Hi, Goat. The family packs a brush. Hello, Newt. My name is Panda. What does the family pack? Hi, Panda. The family packs a swimsuit. Hey, what do you pack for vacation? A toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, a brush, a swimsuit. I pack Thanks for listening to the story. What do you pack for a vacation? Send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.